Voices for Animals started about 3 years ago. It all started from looking at the plight of ex-breeding dogs and cats, and we actually felt for them. And currently we are working with a lot of good breeders that actually release their ex-breeding dogs to us, and they want us to find them good homes, which they want them to retire in a good place.
This is Chendo. When Chendo came, was but now look, she's beautiful. So this is what we do, give them a place to rehabilitate them, give them medical attention, and then when there's a suitable home, we send them to this permanent home.
I have about 20 volunteers at the moment, so they come during weekdays and weekends to help clean up the kennel, groom the dogs, bathe them, keep the kennel clean.
We had actually rescued about close to about 400 to 500 dogs, and close to about 80% has went to a home. So now we are actually left with about 100 dogs now.
They are so much more big-hearted and more courageous than us as a survivor. So from them we learn resilience, we learn the ability to forgive, and we learn about unconditional love.
To see them, go to a good family, from hairless, dirty, smelly, body full of ticks. They grow to be such beautiful dogs now. Then, of course, we want to see more of them go home.
It is the joy of seeing adopted dogs coming back to visit us after they have gone to a family. They still recognize us, and we are really, really grateful that they do remember what we've done for them. They do understand that they have been helped. So if you adopt a dog, rest assured that they will always remember your kindness to them.